In the name of the Father,
Tell me.
Son, Mother, whatever, I don't even know. You are now a Christian because you ate the cookie. Do it again.
No.
So here we are in the Renaissance Hotel in Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. Eid and I, we come here often, you know. We just like to, you know, travel together. Right, and Eid pays for everything because if he doesn't have money, then why would I want to be with him, you know? Yeah, so, okay, anyways. So we're here at the restaurant in the Renaissance, and they be giving us, like, bread that be looking like asses.
Baby, please, baby.
Baby, smell it.
Really good. Really,
Wait,
really
does this
good.
remind you of something, like this feeling when I
Oh
was
my
on your
fucking god, yeah.
Just kidding. So tonight is our last night here in Santo Domingo, and I'm actually kind of happy because he doesn't want to leave. But I'm kind of happy because I want to go back to, you know, my city and being a hoe in Washington, D.C.
My hoe.
You guys don't know, I'm married. You'd show your ring. We're married to each other. And look, he has my name tattooed. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, it's almost done. I was like, whoa, did you need to tell me something? Did you need to tell me something? Okay, so he has my name tattooed on him. But I don't have his name tattooed on me. But yeah, I told him go first, and then I was like going to the bathroom. When it was my turn, I was like going to the bathroom, and then I ran out.
That's so true, by the way. So you are, baby. Oh, please do.
Yeah, you can't really see it because we're
It's
here
too
in
much,
public.
too much sexy for
YouTube.
But you have my name. It's just three letters, so.
Plus, it's a really good like name because right now Eid just happened, so now I have actual Eid. How do you feel like dating me? Like I'm so sharamuta, but your name is so religious. How do you feel about that?
I really don't know how to feel.
You're so retarded.
Your nose before your surgery.
Why do you ask me those kind of questions?
Because I want to know.
He always asks me how the fuck I look like before my surgeries. I look like your mom.
I don't like plastic surgeries. Tell me, Memo, tell me, what do you want to know?
I want to know how come when I was picking up your stuff and putting it into your luggage, I found like 7 Coca-Colas like this inside your luggage.
My fault.
Is there something you want to tell me?
Yeah, I have a big collection in my house of, of Coca-Cola. So
Can you move back a little bit? Your head's not even in the frame. You're like one of those cartoons. They never show the face.
So
Okay, yeah. So why did you have 7 Coca-Colas in your luggage?
All I want to do is think that if I'm in another country, I take all the bottle that I can.
Fuck. So funny. Hi, we just got our food. Oh my god. I got a fish that looks really fucking like not the best. And Ian got this really delicious pasta. And we're gonna trade because I like his better than mine. And since I'm, you know, like the wife, happy life, happy wife. The spoon.
Okay, but you don't mix the sauce with the fish.
Mi amor.
Fuck.
Oh my god.
Oh fuck.
So, Mama, what are we gonna do after this?
Maybe play tennis.
You mean check out the guys who play tennis? What the fuck? I would. So, if you guys don't know, Eid, his favorite sport is tennis. So tonight we're gonna eat something a little bit more simple because it's our last night in San Domingo. We're gonna eat Pizza Hut, and Eid and I, we can eat the whole pizza. Okay, yeah, Eid lost some weight, so he feels extra skinny. But as long as you give him food, he'll still eat it. So don't fall for that.
Okay, so we ordered, baby.
We ordered butter.
It never came.
Like him. He never comes. Yeah, Mom.
Baby, we're going to kill you.
You guys heard it. He's gonna kill me.
I don't care. I'm sure that they will be in my size.
To be honest, I think if you kill me, you'd be a hero for Saudi Arabia.
No,
I think a lot of people would be like naming their kid Eid after.
don't worry. Because you really don't know my intentions at the end.
And we're in Dominican Republic, so
The
a
best
lot of
place.
stuff can get covered up.
Yeah, the best place for this. So,
Baby, how would you like to die? If somebody was like, okay, he doesn't like to talk stuff about it like that.
listen,
I want him to be shot. Because I don't
baby, I don't want to talk.
I want him to be raped before though.
I don't want to talk about that.
Okay. So wait, I wanted to have some.
Baby.
So if you die, I would want you to just be shot. So no pain, nothing, you know? That's not romantic. Well, I would like to be shot, not anything else. What?
Talk today about your idea to do a threesome. I'm saying no, and she's proposing me all the time that shit.
Are you wondering when we're gonna switch plates?
No, I'm so sure that you don't go to eat the whole thing, so
You don't know me.
believe me, I know you very, very.
Last night we went to watch a movie, Life's a Party, and he fell asleep. And I didn't wake him up. And then everybody left, and I still didn't wake him up. I wanted him to be like 3 hours later, what happened? And I wanted to be like, yo nigga, we've been here for 2 hours.
That's true. My fault. I was sleeping. But why you don't woke up, man?
Because I love to troll you.
That's not fair.
You.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, he said I have food. Looking like, why are you laughing? Like it looks like home.
Like you are so hungry that you are even feeling your
Here in the Dominican Republic, they give you avocado with everything.
really, really good. Avocado is really, really good.
Look how it slides off the plate into the other plate, into my hand. A little salty.
Really?
No. Eid, what's your favorite thing about me?
Believe it or not, she's a very, 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 very amazing girl. It's so perfect. Oh my god.
Well, you heard it here. It said I'm a perfect girl, like, oh my god. My favorite thing about Eid,
No. The talking service, she's very attentive with me and make me feel special. And not really, you make me feel special about it. No, baby. Okay. Wait, baby. Wait.
my favorite thing about Eid is that he's very attentive and he makes me feel very special. Okay, my favorite thing about Eid. Hold on. Todo bien, gracias. Sí. So my favorite thing about Eid is that he reminds me of my father. And the waitress just asked if I like the pasta, maybe because I haven't ate like that much of it, but I'm actually getting full. I don't know why I'm so fat if I don't eat that much. I think it's because of what I eat. What I eat. Eid and I have been married for 6 months now. And every day has been a challenge. Right?
Believe me, a big one. If we don't fight one day, for sure, you can ride in a rug. We will fight the other day.
We just love to fight. Ding, ding, ding. We're there. Eid and I went to the casino and he lost everything. But I won like $80. And then last night I won $20. This nigga, you only know how to lose. Really though, like he always be losing. Yo, have you seen him play tennis? Have you seen this nigga play tennis?
I win a lot of matches, brother.
Sure.